Are you tired of watching boring TV programs? Come and see what has happened in the last year in Fillamentum. Just sit back and switch to TV Fillamentum. Breaking news.
Good evening, it's currently 7:30 p.m., and we welcome you to Fillamentum TV, bringing you the biggest news that unfolded in the past year. Thank you for tuning in. At the beginning of the year, Fillamentum introduced PF2024. Find out more about it in the following report.
New incredibly aesthetic 24 colors. 8 basic, 10 transparent and 6 premium colors enriched with glitters. This is the new Pet G from Fillamentum. The entire range was produced on recycled spools and is now available throughout the distribution network. PETG thus opens the door to more aesthetically pleasing printing of technical components. For Fillamentum TV, Michael Fella.
Fillamentum is shifting part of its production to the USA. What customers in the US market can look forward to? Find out in Susie Fella's report.
Fillamentum made in the USA will offer American customers better transport conditions in particular. But sustainability and CO2 reduction are not forgotten either, slowly but surely. American production is making its way into the entire U.S. distribution network for TV Fillamentum. Susie Fella.
Flexfill PEBA is available in 4 new colors from the middle of this year. Let's have a better look at this material in Jordan Fella's report.
Flexfill PF2024. The revolutionary flexible material is characterized by its excellent energy return. It should also be mentioned that this material is particularly suitable for prototyping or small-scale production in the footwear industry. In place of the common TPU and TPE, the level is thus pushed even higher. Already in the middle of this year, Fillamentum released 4 new colors, which are currently appreciated by shoe designers. For TV Fillamentum, Jordan Fella.
This year, we finally got to see fishy filaments by Fillamentum. What is this material? Find out in Christina Fella's report.
Fishy Filaments by Fillamentum represents a new sustainable revolution in the 3D printing world. It is nylon PA6, which is made by recycling used fishing nets. Currently, this group represents 2 types of material, Orca and Porthcurno. Orca is recycled PA6 with carbon fibers, and its properties make it suitable for demanding engineering applications. In the wake of this, Porthcurno, another material in this range, came out and is particularly exceptional for its sea-colored appearance. In addition, this material can withstand temperatures of up to 180 degrees Celsius, so the ideas of sustainability and technology are beautifully combined. For TV Fillamentum, Christina Fella.
Various events are also inherent to Fillamentum. Where did this company appear? Find out in Joseph Fella's report.
This year Fillamentum visited many places around the world. It all started in the USA at RMRF in Colorado and in Chicago at Rapid Plus TCT. In the summer, Fillamentum also appeared at the Hanover Maker Fair. In the fall, Fillamentum had 3 stops, and that was in England at Advanced Engineering along with the Festival of Innovation at Rolls-Royce. It was all rounded off with an annual tradition, Formnext in Frankfurt. Here Fillamentum presented their new case studies, materials, and especially here they officially released one of the fishy filaments. Porthcurno. For Fillamentum TV, Joseph Fella.
We come to the last report. Nanoylon is being printed in bulk at the National Technical Museum in Prague. More about this event in Robert Fella's report.
Combination of large format 3D printing, sustainable materials as nanoylon and unique design. Visitors to the National Technical Museum in Prague can now see this in the Unlocking Door into the Future exhibition. The exhibition began in May this year and will be on display until March 2024. For TV Fillamentum, Robert Fella.